All right. So today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on Notebook LM and some of its features. So Notebook LM is an AI-powered study tool for students. And what I love about it is that you can organize all of your materials in one spot, keep them together and neat, but you can also create different tools out of it and harness different formats that really align with your style of learning. So jumping in here, we'll want to create a new notebook. And so each notebook, I typically will do either one class or subject, or maybe a certain topic that you'll be working on. So you can upload files like PDFs, link websites or YouTube videos, or you could pull directly from your Google Drive. For the sake of time, I've already created one here, and I've uploaded some sources that you might use. So for example, I've got the textbook chapter um, from my theoretical workbook. I've got a website pertaining to my topic, the lecture slides from class, as well as the lecture transcript of my teacher talking about this in class. So all of those together are great sources of information that I really want to dive into and learn about. You can see here the topic I've chosen for this demo is the impact of social media. All right, so you can select all of your sources or just, a few if you have certain ones you want to pull from. But for today, we'll just be selecting all of them. In the middle here is the chat. So this will automatically give you a brief summary of all your materials and give you a place to interact with it and ask questions. So you can see here it gives you suggested questions, but maybe I want to ask, what are the three main points about this topic? It'll search through my materials and generate that for me. Here we go. See the three main topics. And maybe I want to choose one of these select or suggested ones, sorry. How can I set effective screen time limits? I love that it's always giving you suggestions or, different things to think about in addition to what's kind of just already there. All right, moving on to the studio portion over here. This is really the best part of Notebook LM, in my opinion. These are all the different formats that you can turn this information into. Starting off with audio overview, this is generally just a podcast, kind of just two people talking about it in a very casual way, like having a conversation. So you can customize different prompts you want to give it. Maybe you want it to be a debate. So two people kind of presenting different sides of the argument. For this, I've already created one, so let's take a look at that.
Imagine for a second that you are walking around with this massive stadium-sized room right inside your pocket.
Oh, that sounds exhausting already.
Right. And inside this room, millions of people are just constantly whispering, shouting, shut.
All right, so you can see that it's very realistic sounding. What I wanted to show you here is this interactive mode. You can continue to ask questions and they'll kind of direct the conversation in the way that you want it to go. Answer those in real time. Another thing, another avenue you can do is creating lecture slides. Again, just kind of condensing everything, giving you more visuals. Oops. also create a video.
Okay, so let's talk about social media. For teenagers today, it's everything, isn't it? It's where they connect, share, and figure things out. But as it gets more and more tangled up in their daily lives, this huge question pops up. Is it a friend or is it a foe?
All right. So that's kind of different ways you can interact and learn the content, but specifically for studying, what I love is first the mind map. So this is going to connect all of the important ideas in this little graph. So you'll start with your main topic as well as key points, and you can keep expanding each one. And it clearly connects information, helps you make sense of it. All right. You can also create your own study guide here. So we have example essay questions, important definitions. You can take your own quiz, which I have one down here. So it will, not only grade it, but give you real-time feedback and an explanation of your answer. We have flashcards. You can keep track of how many you get right and wrong. And then lastly, we have an infographic. All right, that's a little bit about Notebook LM. I hope this is helpful and that you can use it in your upcoming classes.